everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing awesome. We have 2,000 subscribers today. Yay! It feels like 20,000 to me, to be honest. YouTube is so freaking hard, you guys. Oh my god. Even 50 subscribers were like whoa to me. Thank you guys so much for all the love, but you are still not monetized yet. So hit the subscribe button for glowiest, clearest skin of your dreams. Anyways, today is all about beginners. Korean skincare routine, which I personally curated based on my own experience. I was inspired by this comment right here and I felt so bad because so many of us are actually not taught about the importance of skincare until we develop any very harsh skin condition, which then becomes too late. Skincare is not cosmetic, it's actually healthcare. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, but sadly we tend to ignore it and nourish other parts of our body. A basic skincare routine is essential to maintain a healthy, youthful and disease-free skin. There are so many skincare items available in kbeauty market like cleansers, toners, essences, serums, ampoules, toner pad, masks, gel mask, sheet mask, clay mask, so many stuff. But a basic skincare routine should include only a cleanser, a moisturizer and a sunscreen. However, you know me, I like to spice things up and I'm gonna give you guys a very easy to follow but effective 5 steps. And they are cleanse, hydrate, treat, repair and protect. We are gonna scrap any unnecessary steps that overwhelms you and does not even provide additional purpose. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Cleanse. Cleansing is crucial for maintaining a healthy and vibrant looking skin. It removes impurities like dirt, oil, makeup, bacteria and dead skin cells, preventing clogged pores, breakouts and premature aging. However, I would 100% recommend double cleansing. Double cleansing is exactly what it sounds like, a skincare method that involves washing your face twice in a row. First, preferably with an oil-based cleanser to remove oil-based impurities and then with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining water-soluble impurities. Now, who needs to double cleanse? Or do you even need to do it every day? People who wear makeup every single day, sunscreen, especially physical or waterproof, if you reapply your sunscreen throughout the day, which you should be doing anyways, use powders every single day, people with oily, acne-prone or combination skin, you will definitely benefit from double cleansing. But if you don't do any of the steps mentioned, you probably have extremely sensitive skin, or if you are a teenager, then you can skip the cleansing oil part. But make sure to use a water-based cleanser every single day. Here are my recommendations. Step 2. Hydrate. After cleansing, our skin can often feel super dry or tight and very sensitive. At that time, our skin is craving for hydration and moisture. So you want to put moisture back onto the skin with a soothing toner. Korean skincare is all about their toners, right? They made this category super popular worldwide. There are so many different types of toners, but soothing toners are a game changer in my opinion. Kbeauty is notorious for incorporating their centuries-old rituals like Centella, ginseng, green tea, Heartleaf, licorice root, rice, etc. A toner is formulated in a liquid form which penetrates deeply into the skin's dermis, boosting skin's hydration level and prepares the skin for the absorption of following skincare steps. I would suggest target your skin's hydration step in toner category, then it will make your routine much more simpler. And here are my recommendations. Step 3. Treat. This is your treatment step and it's serum, everybody. Serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing skincare products that deliver highly concentrated active ingredients to the skin. They are designed to target specific skin concerns like fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. But you have to choose it accordingly in order to address specific skin concern. For example, if you're suffering from dark spots and you're using hyaluronic acid, then you're not helping yourself. If you have acne and you're using vitamin C, then you're definitely not helping yourself. On the contrary, you're worsening the condition. Let me help you a little bit. First, figure out what your skin concern is. Is it dark spots? Is it acne? Is it dullness, dehydration, dryness, damaged skin barrier? Then target your skin concern with this specific ingredient which is designed to address the issue. If you still cannot figure it out, I made a video about which serum is right for you, which I'll link it up here. You guys can go check it out. In the meantime, let's do a quick overview of the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid for hydration, glycolic acid for exfoliation, peptides, ceramides and fermented ingredients for damaged skin barrier, retinoids for anti-aging and cell turnover, niacinamide, vitamin C, glutathione, alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, kojic acid, azelaic acid, together called antioxidants for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dullness, uneven skin tone, collagen production, you name it. All those magical stuff. Now, if I have to choose one category for the rest of my life and make it simple for you, then I will 100% recommend antioxidants. They kind of do all the work for you and you don't have to think too much. You really can never go wrong with an antioxidant serum. And here are my recommendations. Step 4. Repair. And this step is crucial for a healthy skin barrier. Skin with a compromised barrier function is more sensitive and prone to inflammation. It allows bacteria to penetrate and cause breakouts or even worsens existing acne issues. Moisturizers are applied to maintain healthy skin by replenishing water loss and support its natural barrier function. They prevent dryness, flakiness and other skin issues and can also improve skin texture. They form a protective layer on the skin's surface which protects the skin from irritants, allergens and pollution. At night time, moisture and water loss increases and our skin goes through its daily regeneration process, including increased collagen production, enhanced blood flow, and reduced cortisol levels. These factors contribute to cell regeneration, healing, and repair of daytime damage. So you must use a moisturizer at nighttime to support skin's natural barrier function. But there are just way too many moisturizers in the market. I know it gets super confusing, especially for beginners. So I'm gonna make it easy for you guys, okay? So pay attention. There are 3 main types of moisturizers: gel form, gel cream hybrid, and cream form. Gel form, which are usually water-based, they're often super lightweight, more suited for oily skin. Gel cream hybrid often combines water-based gel with richer, nourishing properties, more suited for combo skin. And the traditional cream types, which are the richest and for dry skin. And final step, protect. And yes, I'm talking about sun protection, everybody. Sunscreens are the most essential part of a skincare routine. If you want your skincare to be effective, then you must use sunscreen. Especially if you're on any treatments like active ingredients, our skin tends to be more sensitive to the UV rays. So we gotta protect those fresh new skin that we work so hard to develop. There are no age limits. All ages from kids to teenagers to adults to mature, everybody needs sun protection. And yes, you have to apply them even if you are at home and also in the winters. It prevents skin from tanning, collagen loss, damaged skin barrier, hyperpigmentation, and sunspots and age spots. There are 2 different types of sunscreens, one physical, another chemical. If you have extremely sensitive acne-prone skin, I would highly recommend opting for a physical one. Otherwise, go for chemical ones. It's your choice. And my final tip, less is more when it comes to skincare, especially if you are just starting out. I purposefully left out special care items because I did not want to overwhelm you guys. These steps work just as good, if not better. You really don't need to add anything else. So try it out and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them all. And thank you guys so much for watching.